What better young person activity is there than bird watching? If the primary point scoring or receiving in this game isn't actually anything to do with the knowledge of the birds.
We've got to copy them, haven't we?
You've got to blooming well copy them.
Okay.
Okay, here is bird number 1.
Is he rolling?
He's rolling, and I don't think there was a roll.
That's a sex noise, John.
John gets the point. Do you want to have a guess? You're never going to get this.
Was it a nighthatch?
No, it was a penguin.
Was it?
So we're learning as well, actually, with this game, aren't we? Which is quite nice.
Good fun. Good harmless fun.